So this is a question for all virtual assistants, whether magsisimula ka pa lang or matagal ka na sa industry. Tinatrack mo ba yung applications mo? Hey guys, Mary here, and if you are applying for online jobs, whether as a freelancer, virtual assistant, or in any work from home role, you know how easy it is to lose track of applications. That is why today I'm sharing an application tracker that will help you stay organized, save time, and actually follow up on your application. So, bakit nga ba kailangan ng application tracker? Number one, you will know which jobs you applied for, when, and ano na yung status. A lot of times kasi, kapag lalo na nandun ka sa groove ng pag-a-apply, tama ba yung sinabi ko? Kung nandun ka sa momentum, nalilimutan mo na kung saan, kailan, and hindi mo na naaalala bakit ka nag-apply dun sa posisyon na yon. Kasi minsan makakakita tayo ng mga links, halimbawa, or nakita natin sa social media may hiring ng virtual assistant for insurance. Alam mo na meron kang experience sa insurance, pero it's been a while. So, kailan nga ba ako nag-apply dito? Paano ko nga ba nakita yung job post? Ano nga bang pangalan ng company? And all those nitty-gritty stuff na will help you land that client sana, pero dahil hindi mo na sila maalala, you might miss the opportunity. Speaking of missing an opportunity, you want to make sure that you also track interview dates, follow-ups, and important emails. Kapag ka marami or bulk application yung ginagawa natin, hindi na natin naaalala na mag-follow up dun sa iba nating in-applyan. Now, typically, I would recommend sending a follow-up email 5 to 7 business days after your first interaction. So let's say nagpunta ka sa online jobs, nag-send ka doon ng application, pagkatapos after 1 week walang reply, your application tracker should give you the direct link to the job posting and will give you a better idea na ito, kailangan kong i-follow up to. Or after a week, binalikan mo yung job post and you're like, parang hindi talaga para sa akin to. So, never mind, di na ako mag-follow up. I-close ko na lang. Next, you want to find out which types of jobs you get more responses from. Kasi, kapag tinatrack mo yung application mo, makikita mo yung pattern mo. Makikita mo na, madalas nag-a-apply ako for this particular position. Or, feeling ko, mas drawn ako sa mga social media management or marketing positions lately. Ganon. Also, you want to save time. No more searching through emails or folders for your application information. Halimbawa, nag-email sila ng 1 p.m. na, are you available to hop on a quick call today at 2? Bis bigla mo na lang iisipin siya, saan ko nakuha tong application na to? Alam mo yun? So, instead of having that kind of unnecessary stress, with your application tracker, alam mo na kagad kung sino yung nag-message sa'yo at kung kailan ka nag-apply. Trust me, even a simple tracker can make your job hunt way easier and more professional. Now, if you haven't started an application tracker just yet, don't you worry. Let me show you how to use our time tracker because it's super simple. Kung wala ka pang kopya, check the description box below. Dun ko na lang ililink. But all you have to do after clicking the link is click on File and then hit Make a Copy. This makes your own version that you can edit. After that, rename the file to something like My Job Applications, just so you can find it easily. If you already have a folder for applications, best if you save it there. If not, save it wherever you want. But remember, virtual assistants are expected to be organized, so might as well start a folder and then start filling it out. Add the job title, company, date applied, status, and notes. Fully guided naman yung application tracker natin, so hindi ka malolost. And that's it. You are ready to track all your applications and feel more in control of your job hunt. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on freelancing, virtual assistants, and staying organized while working from home. Also, if you feel that someone might benefit from this video, i-share nyo lang sa kanya to or itag nyo sila dyan. Again, if you want to get a copy of the application tracker template, it's right in the description box below. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismes. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!